President Jaron Enriquez of Batch 2001. I gave you the blessing, transferring to you the responsibility of being the host for next year's Grand Alumni Homecoming 2026. As a symbol of that, I would like to give you not the trophy, but what's inside the Jansport bag is a door stopper. It's a symbol of our high school. Responsibility.
President CJ. First and foremost, in behalf of Batch 2001, we'd like to congratulate Batch 2000 for this very successful alumni event natin ngayon. Maraming salamat. Ito, turnover door stopper. Ilalagay ko sa pagkakas.
We have one for each of you.
And as I've said, we really appreciate, we really look up to us Kuyas for this effort na ginawa natin for this event. And congratulations again. On behalf of Batch 2001.
We're back to Busco, where the legends are made. From the atrium canteen where we used to parade. Cheese roll, kikiam, epa in hand. From the 60s to now we still run this land. Principal's office.